A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are tackling my house, of course. That's what my whole channel is about, which is cleaning, organizing, DIY projects, and overall homemaking while having to work full-time, go to college, and raise 3 small children. We are also a military family, so I am in South Carolina currently. For how long, I don't know. But in today's satisfying clean with me, I really just wanted to get rid of the mess and pick up all the things that were just left around from family visiting. I tend to just kind of throw everything while I have family visiting instead of picking up all the time because I like to enjoy my vacation. So things kind of get a little out of hand. This was not too bad, but it was still a mess that I wanted to clean up and just kind of get ready before I go back to work. This did pretty much take all day for me because I do have to work around kids' schedules, my work schedule, etc. But it's finally clean and I'm just happy about that. I hope if you are new here, you will consider watching until the end and hit that subscribe button as well as that alert bell. I do upload 1 to 2 times a week, and I am just going to jump into today's video. So my runners are actually from Kirkland's, and they are spot cleaned only. You cannot wash them in the washer. I was going to, and then I realized that, and I was like, oh no, I don't want to ruin these or shrink them, because they are not cheap. Luckily, Kirkland's does offer a military discount, if you were wondering. But I'm just taking some Tide powder and OxyClean in this little cup and putting it in the sink with hot water. My water gets very hot. If yours does not, boil some, let it cool down, and then put it in the sink. And I just throw these runners in and I soak them. And I'm going to later take them out. I'll rinse them off, squeeze them, and then I'll take them outside to dry in the sun. Because like I've said many times before, the sun is a natural bleacher, and it worked amazingly. These don't have the food stains anymore.
Loser, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza. Ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza. Ain't gonna lose ya.
Because my family just left, I'm trying to clean up my house a little bit, and I wanted to disinfect everything just in case. It's not because I think my family was sick or anything, but it's just something I like to do once I have friends over or before they come over, is to disinfect. And all I am is taking the Jaws disinfectant, and this one is actually not non-toxic, but it really does give it a good deep clean, and it doesn't have a very strong odor like some disinfectants do.
Was it hot for you, baby love? 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 Yeah. Hot for you, baby love? 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 Yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy. Yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, yeah. There's a remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza. Ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza. Ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, yeah.
You do have to let this disinfectant sit for 10 minutes, so I'm just going back over now. I waited a little bit, and now I'm back at it.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But somewhere I'll go running high.
I definitely feel like my coffee bar being over here really keeps the kitchen open, because I did have, I think, 6 people visiting at one time, and so it was nice to have a coffee bar out of the kitchen, so when we're cooking or cleaning, there's not a whole bunch of traffic in the kitchen. So if you are able to, and you have a entertainment stand that you don't use anymore, that's all I did. I bought this for my TV originally, and then I ended up switching it to my coffee bar when there was really nowhere for me to put it in the living room, and I wanted to wall mount the TV above the fireplace. But if you have the option, I definitely like it. It definitely helps cut down everyone being all in the kitchen at the same time. Okay, so I just had family visiting, and I know this fridge is one of those French door ones. Not my favorite. I do plan to get one with the top like fridge, and then the bottom is a freezer. That's what I want. But right now I only have this little bitty French door fridge, but it's what we have, so we're just gonna work with it. But I had family in, so there's just a lot of stuff thrown in here. So I'm gonna go through, get rid of all the leftovers that we're not gonna eat, kind of just clean out these drawers and move on. I do have to kind of organize it a little bit because it's kind of gotten out of control. Put some drinks down there for the kids, but yeah, let's jump into that.
Looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go and hide. Looking for a new start. For a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. But somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go running and hide, looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you.
I will say my least favorite thing to film while I'm cleaning is my fridge, because it is just so tight. And I'm sorry, like, it goes in and out of focus from me going in front of the camera. I am doing my best to get all of the angles for you guys. But yeah, this took a lot longer because I was filming.
Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we.
Yeah, so all of my drawers in my fridge are actually broken because my kids used to leave them open and slam the door shut. So it just cracked all of them. That's how the top doesn't have the little crisper thing at the very top of the door, because it fell and shattered when my son was having a tantrum. Yeah. But yeah, this fridge is definitely a process for me. But every time I finish, every time that I get a clean fridge, I just feel so much better. Like, I don't know if you're like me, But when you look into a cluttered space, it just overwhelms you. I feel that way with food. And when your fridge gets cluttered, I feel like we put things in the back. Like we forget about moldy cheese. We forget about just all the bad food in the back, or it gets piled underneath, and then it just makes everything stink. And I do keep baking soda in the fridge to help deodorize it. But still, I just like to clean it out. And yes, it's not my favorite thing to clean, but once it's done, I feel so much better.
We could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be.
Alright, and we're done. I just organized this as best I could. Put the drinks up here, little snacks over here like applesauce, yogurts, and sugar-free Jell-O, eggs, bacon, turkey bacon, extras. Then all of the leftovers go here, and then I put all of the sauces down here again, and then I organize these drawers to make them more easy. Got rid of all the produce that goes bad at the bottom of the fridge, and then organize the door as best I could because we do have a lot of sauces, and then put some drinks in there. But yeah, looks 10 times better.
With you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you.
So glad I did this. These are table runners that go on my dining room table, and they had stains all over them, and I just took my power scrubber Rubbermaid and just scrubbed the stains that were a little bit harder. But it looks like all of the stains came out, and this is what's left over. And right now it's like lighter in the camera so you can see the bottom. However, in real life this is like completely dark. This is like orange and brown and disgusting. Like, that's because these can't get washed in a regular washer, and I'm lazy sometimes, and I'm just gonna call myself out there. But this, yeah, this is disgusting. This probably is what smokers go through, or when you strip bedding in the like tub, when you let things sit in the tub in like a laundry detergent and you just let it sit there, and it's called stripping. Well, I think that's what I did with these, and look, that is just gross. But it looks a lot better, and these don't seem to have any stains left, so I'm gonna take these out and let them soak in, like dry in the sun. I'm gonna wring them out really quick so all the soap comes out. But yeah. I finally bit the bullet and got some more memory foam pillows. They were on sale at Walmart. However, mine have been broken in over years, like probably 10 years now. I know it's a long time, but I got them for Christmas when I was still living with my parents in high school. And yeah, that's why they look terrible, and I always try to hide them in videos. But yeah, so I finally got pillow covers that actually fit the size of these, and I got new pillows, so I'm just switching those out really quick on my bed. I was actually watching Criminal Minds on the TV behind the camera, just in case you're wondering why I look like I'm staring at the camera. But no, I was just watching Criminal Minds, some background noise while I folded all of this laundry.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my
just going to finish up by vacuuming / mopping my house with my Bissell Crosswave, one of my favorite ways to clean my floors. But I appreciate you guys clicking on today's video and watching with me or even cleaning with me. I hope that this gave you guys tons of cleaning, decluttering, organizing motivation in today's super satisfying clean with me. And I hope that you guys will come back again and watch other videos on my channel. I have plenty of content and a lot planned for the future. I love making videos for you guys. It's just something that has turned into a passion of mine. I did it to kind of help keep me accountable and maintain my home more instead of letting things kind of fall to the wayside. But now I'm not having that problem anymore. I really love doing this. It's definitely a hobby for me. I don't see myself ever doing YouTube full time because I do love my career. I went to college for it, something I worked really hard for, but I love doing this as well. It's definitely a great hobby for me. And I hope that you guys will come back and watch other videos and hit that subscribe button as well as that alert bell. And I'll see you guys back in my next video.